How to add stickers to Discord server. So if you want to add stickers to your Discord server, then first open up your Discord application. Once you've opened, you need to simply go for your server, go for the servers, which is here on the bottom left, and then you can simply choose any server that you're comfortable with. Once you're here with the server, you need to tap on your server name again and go for the server settings. And under your server settings here, you will have stickers option. So if you don't have the stickers, you can simply go for the emoji. It's the same thing. And here under the server settings, you may have a stickers option. So for now in my region, it's not available. But if you have your stickers option here, you need to simply tap on the stickers. And once you tap on your stickers, you will have the access to the stickers. And then you can use your stickers on your server. So that's how you can add stickers to your Discord server. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.